India is a country of over 1 billion people, and providing good health care to citizens is one of the biggest challenges that our nation is facing. Alternatively, the Indian health sector went through a major transformation in recent years. As a result of this transition, the Indian healthcare system is emerging as one of the largest and fastest growing healthcare sectors in the world.
वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WHO ने भारत की आशा वर्कर्स, आशा बहनों को डायरेक्टर जनरल्स ग्लोबल हेल्थ लीडर अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया है।
Post-COVID crisis, the accredited social health activist, or ASHA, has emerged as an important link between the community and the healthcare system. ASHA workers are trained to provide basic healthcare services in the rural India. ASHA workers are trusted immensely by the Indian community and have international recognition too. Ensuring that this army of health workers is trained, supported and well-equipped to deliver more without being overburdened is a vision of Prime Minister of India. Ease of Doing Business, India's leading tech piloting and prototyping agency, has anchored and aligned with his vision through its health tech pilot project called Disha. Disha stands for Digital Innovations and Interventions for Sustainable Health Tech Action, and it focuses on the goal of digital upskilling and empowering ASHA workers. Under this project Disha, Ease of Doing Business has identified areas of reform with structured approach to synchronize stakeholders, to perform in tandem, to transform India's healthcare delivery with digitization and best possible health tech upgradation.
भारत की लाखों आशा बहनें मैटरनल केयर से लेकर के वैक्सीनेशन तक, पोषण से लेकर के स्वच्छता तक देश के स्वास्थ्य अभियान को गति दे रही है। गांव के अंदर मैं आज जापान की धरती से हमारी सभी आशा वर्कर बहनों को हृदय से बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, उनको सैल्यूट करता हूं।
Yugasabot joined Disha for fueling the collective efforts with its powerful conversational AI platform. This platform enables Disha to ensure that ASHA workers are sufficiently trained regardless of their remote location, in the hours of their choice. It also keeps them updated with the latest government policies and state health packages. This advanced audio-visual e-learning is successfully upbeating ASHAs to qualify and get recognized, rewarded and reimbursed for their efforts and hard work by simple conversations and chats they do with Yugasabot in their local languages. Fastest and real-time dissemination of credible information has proven to be a key to control the recent pandemic. This 24/7 communication channel between frontline healthcare workers and state agencies would ensure our national preparedness for any such upcoming challenges. Disha will lead the Indian healthcare system in a new direction which will be more efficient, transparent, and self-sustainable digital health annuity model, DHAM. Disha is shaping the future of Indian healthcare.